Hello, my name is Aaron Hall, National Director of Omaha Rapid Response Disaster Relief and Humanitarian Aid. This past weekend, Omaha Rapid Response hosted its first ever chainsaw clinic near Ashland, Nebraska. Here are a few highlights.
That fulcrum point, when I do the back cut, I want that to meet perfectly. I don't want to see it at an angle like up or down, looking this way. And you want it to be level, because if you go above it or below it, what happens is as soon as you screw up and go eliminate that 1 inch pin, in other words, you bypass a little bit, go past the fulcrum point, which it can happen. It might just happen on the back side when I'm cutting. It might just happen over here on the other side. But once you cross that, then the fibers in the grain, they'll run for sometimes a couple of feet. They'll hang on and they'll tear out of the inside of the tree. Once I bypass that fulcrum point, I've actually eliminated the hinge because I've cut the fibers above and below. Now it's